This is Sbl Stobal Cough syrup. This is sugar-free syrup. This could be used by diabetics. It is effective in all types of cough, dry and wet, irritation in the throat, cough associated with bronchitis, laryngitis, tracheitis, and in whooping cough. Key ingredients in this cough syrup is Pulsatilla, Rumex, Justica, Adatoda, Ipecac, Spongia, Sticta pulmonaria, Coccus cacti, Drosera, Ephedra vulgaris, Piper nigrum, Zanzibar officinalis, Polygala seneca, Ocimum sanctum, Blatta orientalis. This is indicated in coughs associated with bronchitis, laryngitis, tracheitis, and whooping cough. Key benefits are it is highly efficacious remedy for acute catarrhal conditions of the respiratory tract. It acts on dry coughs aggravated by inspiring cold air which causes stringy and tough expectoration. It reduces spasmodic irritation of the chest. It is a homeopathic cough medicine in dry and wet cough, removes phlegm and relieves difficulty in swallowing. Dosage adults 1 tablespoon of Sbl Stobal Cough syrup 3 to 5 times a day. Children 1 tablespoon 3 to 5 times a day. Same dosage for adults and children should be taken. Thank you.